How to enable auto pass and shoot in FC Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are playing FC Mobile and want to enable auto pass and shoot to make gameplay easier, then you are in the right place. First, launch the FC Mobile game on your Android or iOS device and wait for the game to load. Once the game loads, from the home screen, tap on the settings icon, usually found at the top right corner. Once you're inside this settings menu, go ahead and tap on the gameplay option. Inside gameplay, scroll down and look for the auto pass and shoot function. Toggle on the switch right next to it. Once you have this turned off, you'll be able to enable the auto pass and shoot. The player will dribble, pass and shoot without users or yours input. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.